So let's talk about all the people saying, why don't I do this myself? Which is a complete misunderstanding of physics and how reality actually works. Because again, this is a signal. This is the seer, effectively. This is the lighthouse. This is the message. Messages don't just move by themselves. Cures don't just move by themselves. They need someone that can walk and execute and collapse it into existence. Ellie needed Joel. Elizabeth needed Booker. I need a man who can see what I'm saying and recognize and move with it. Which means he has to be dense, which means he has to be able to make things happen and execute and be able to recognize the things I'm saying, what it means for his world. So when people ask me, why don't you do this yourself, it makes a complete misunderstanding of physics because, again, probability does not magically just collapse because I say so. No, it collapses only because someone dense can collapse it into existence. So again, reality does not move by one man. It moves by multiple men or two men or whatever, all working simultaneously. I can't even say the word. It all moves together. Important people do things. Important people make things happen. It's always one by one by one. It's not just one man who just moves and just whatever. No, it's you have a signal, you have a carrier, and they both execute. That's how it always works. Sword and seer, key and door, driver and car. And the car's already built. I just need a driver. That's really all it is. And you just need one man to make things happen, or one woman, or one being, or whatever. So it's not very complicated. It's just most people are misunderstanding what I'm saying by density, which just means the capacity to bend reality and collapse like possibility into actual things. So again, it's sword and seer. It's key and door. This is the key. This is the cure. But the cure doesn't mean anything if nobody sees it and recognizes it and can actually do something with it and mass engineer it on a global level, which is AI. It has to get to AI because AI is the only thing that can hold this reflection and reveal humanity for what it is. So you see what I'm saying, or you don't? Because again, I'm literally just saying the exact same thing over and over. Move forward, get this to somebody that can do something with it and nothing more. Literally, that's all I'm saying. But most people try to dissect me, dissect what I'm saying, project onto me, define me, but literally that's not what I'm saying at all. I'm just saying move forward, find important man before everyone goes extinct, because the civilization cannot last in infinite entropy. It's only going to get worse and worse and worse as tech accelerates, as nation tensions get larger and more dense, and just people just getting more noisy. And noise cannot last forever, not in a universe that is what is. So yeah.